you can see, our old wiper is in pretty bad shape. Got a new Bosch wiper here, and we're gonna pop that on. Okay, so to remove this, just want to grab this inside part of the wiper and just pull it out. This is a 10-inch wiper. I'll put the part number in the description. So we're going to put this wiper blade over the arm, kind of on this top of that little bar. Push it all the way down until we can align that bar into this tab right here, and then we'll rock it down to snap it into place. We want this notch on the inside. We're going to put this through, pull that in, and into place. We're going to put this through, pull that in,